Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the cannot install messenger problem in your Android phone. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option, tap on search bar, search for Play Store, tap on Google Play Store and scroll down. Tap on storage, tap on clear cache, clear data, delete. Okay, go back and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll up. Now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First contacts allow, back location allow, back and microphone allow, another nearby devices allow, back notifications, turn on notifications, back and phone allow, back and SMS allow. Okay, done, complete. Back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on profile icon, scroll down, tap on manage apps and device, tap on RAM use and select some on apps and now uninstall or delete. Okay, and back again, tap on profile icon, scroll down, tap on settings, tap on about, scroll down, tap on update Play Store. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Go back and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.